And here we go. Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. And in this video we're gonna be um, coding Fibonacci trading strategy and then deploying it live on Discord as well as on Telegram, so you guys can also join in from the link that I'm gonna put in the description later on. Okay, so the scenario will be like, if you join Discord, you're gonna get notification there as well. So let me show you what I mean. So see, this is our Discord channel here. So here I have made one events like alert channel here, where you will see this kind of notification, you know. So it will tell you, okay, it's entering long trade or short trade on so it's gonna enter long trade on Bitcoin pair with this open rate, and enter take will be something and strategy will be something. So you know, you will get this notification on here, as well as I'm gonna make one group in Telegram as well, where you will get notification on your mobile too. So without further ado, let's get cracking on. And yeah, let's do it, man. So what I need, let's create one file. I'm gonna name it 4.4 Fibonacci. I call it like breaking good Fibonacci trading strategy. Okay, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to code this strategy from scratch later on, but for now I just want you to like just follow my like whatever I'm writing. Okay, because like you're gonna get the notification there, so I don't want to like, because it takes time to write the code, so I'm just gonna show you how I'm doing it, so you guys can also deploy your own bot if you want to. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get the data here for Bitcoin. And you know what, let's download the latest data, you know. So I think we are getting the data from there, right? So let's get that. Here is still Bitcoin, and time frame is 15 minutes. So okay, so we got the data here, and I think our data is not updated. Today is 24, so let's download the data. So config user data 2024 config.bot 001.json. Sorry. Time range 2024 0401. Pairs, we want to download the Bitcoin from Binance Exchange. Okay, so yeah. So we downloaded that. Let's go back, run it again, and we see the latest data there. Okay, so now what I want you to do, just get the 10,000, last 10,000, and then yeah, so I'm just writing some code. You guys will know what I mean by that. So Okay. So I'm gonna copy some code here. Just give me a moment. See the trade that we entered. No, it's in profitable. So let me see what. Yep. All right. So here we go. So there's some code running there, which I'm going to show you later on. And then just we have to do this get Fibonacci retracement with pivot points, and then just do this, and voila. Now you have long fib level 1, something like let's do 61%, and there you go. You have Fibonacci level for all this stuff. Now we're gonna plot it and then we'll see what goes into it. Okay, now to plot it, we already have done some plotting earlier, so like yeah, this will work. So let's get the plotting library here and put it there. Okay, so and let's get rid of everything there. So we start fresh. So if you don't know about Fibonacci strategy, it's like very simple. What we do here is so on Fibonacci strategy, like this is how it works. Okay, so yeah, so let's go on 15 minutes or 4 hour, I think. Yeah, so suppose we are going like this, market is going like this. As soon as like it does that, what you do from here, you go to this analysis, you take the fib retracement, and then you take this swing low to that swing high, and that's your Fibonacci level. Okay, now if you extend that to like to there, and then what I want you to do is like focus on these levels. Okay, it's actually a mean reversion strategy, like really good. So this was our swing low, swing high. Now I want you to focus on this level. Okay, 61, 70% and 78.6%. Market usually comes around here and then bounce back. That's why it's called Fibonacci retracement, so that's what we are doing there. So so let me show you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna plot the up wave and down wave. So up wave, and color is gonna be green, type is gonna be like line. Yeah, that's it. Let's see what it gives me. So see, it's only plotting up wave. Now I'm gonna do some like width, it's like 3 or something. So that's my up wave, and my down wave is gonna be red. So that's my down wave. Now you can see the zigzag pattern, right? So let me zoom in. So this is a zigzag. I'm gonna do some like alpha there, alpha 0.5, alpha 0.5. Yeah, so yeah guys, I mean I have a lot of stuff that I'm gonna teach you guys. Yeah, when you see, it's really cool. Yeah. So we got the up wave and down wave. Okay, now what we want to do, so like here, right? So what I want you, I mean we already done it, so I'm just telling you like what's going on there. Okay, so suppose this is your swing high, This is your swing low. Okay, now you do Fibonacci retracement from here to here, you will find couple of levels around here. Okay, so what it does, when the market comes around here, you take that short trade. All right, so we're gonna plot the levels now. You're gonna see for long and short level both, you're gonna see it. Okay, so I'm gonna plot it. mpf dot make add plot df long fib. So this is all the levels we have. All right, so level 1, level 2, level 3. And how did I categorize with level 1 and level 2? It's like, you will know. Okay, I'll tell you later on. So level 1, we want the 50%. Okay, and then so color is gonna be let's take green, purple or something, I don't know. And type is gonna be scatter. Marker is gonna be this. Marker size is gonna be 10. So as soon as I done that, you see this is the, so if you want to understand the Fibonacci percent of half, no, so see from here to here, if I measure this, so like see, this is that, so half of this is this, right? So that's what that's telling us about. Okay, that's the half of it. Okay, for the long part, right? So so we got that. And let me put the the short one, the short fib level one. Okay, so first I'm gonna put the 61, and same as the trading view, 61, and then 78%. We don't have 78, I just kept it as 79. So these are the levels. Okay, now in order to show the difference, I'm just gonna change the color. So this is gonna be like neutral gray color, this is gonna be green, and this is gonna be lime. Okay, so now you can see it, right? So this is my 50%, this is my 61%, and this is my 78%. Okay, so whenever the market comes around here, you see this market comes around here, you buy it. Okay, see around here, you buy it. Okay, now we're gonna put for the sell as well. Okay, now so I'm gonna do the same thing and put it for short as well. Short fib level 1, change the color, keep it like black, but I'm gonna change the alpha 0.5, and then here it's gonna be red, this is gonna be tomato. So see, we got that right. Now I want it to increase for 500, so we can see it's like very cumbersome, right? So let's focus on this, or just like 200 something, so we can see that, right? Now you can see the short one clearly. That's why I'm going to plot only that one. So now you can see the short as well. Okay, and see, this is what I was telling you guys, right? So check this out. You see this market exactly came around there, so that's our like short trade entry there. Now we're gonna code it. Okay, so I haven't shared my notebook yet, but like most of the code that I've written here, know everything that it's been on YouTube. You can watch the video. I'm just not sharing it right now. Like I'm actually like planning on releasing the code later on, because this code that we are writing, no, I'm gonna be publishing it on Discord. Were you there before on the introduction? No, right? So this one, so on this Discord channel, I made this like another channel. So here you will see this kind of notification from the code that I'm writing there, and also for Telegram too. So this is for just to like, crack the ice for the newcomers on YouTube as well. So, but later on, as we go along, people are really interested in like because like this thing that I'm doing is to teach you guys. Okay, if I share the code, it's like there's not much learning then, right? So yeah, anyway, it's like it's on YouTube, the code I've written. Yeah, you can watch it and like just write the code from there if you like want the reference point. Yeah, so this thing that we did multiple time frame analysis, I overlaid 4-hour candlestick on 15 minutes. So these are the like, you see this trade setups, so this is actually like we coded it on live. All right, so you can like really see it that with the good analysis it's actually working. So yeah, man. um so let's continue. So here, right, so I'm gonna now let's write the like logic for long entry and short entry. Okay, so I'm gonna do entering long trade, entering short trade. So here what I'm gonna do is like when my wave direction is changed to down wave. Okay, so what I'm saying here now is check this out. So suppose for we want it for long trade. Okay, so let's do it for the long trade first. So here, right, so what I want to do here now is as soon as so as soon as the it is on down wave is completed. Okay, so my down wave is completed. Now the up wave is starting on this candle. So what I want to do, as it is crossing above my 50, 60 or 79, I want to enter long there. Okay, and reverse it for the short trade too. So let's do it. So I'm gonna do swing candle close. First of all, I'm gonna do like swing low. So I'll also plot the swing high and swing low so that you can see that it's there. Swing high, swing low. So you can see that as well. See, swing high, swing low. So what I'm gonna do, swing high is gonna be red, swing low is gonna be green. So now you can see the development there. So 20. Okay, so you see, so now if I put the for the long there, then you will see the pattern there, right? So yeah, now let's do it and code it. All right, so if my swing low is less than equals to so long fib level 1 50%. You know what, let's do the conservative one, 60%. And if my swing candle close is greater than equals to long fib level 1 79%. So sorry, first 61%, and then we're gonna OR it for 79%. So we got that. So this much signals we got here. So swing candle or just like close. Okay, so we got that. See, this much trade signals we got there. Now I'm gonna do entering long trade, and we're gonna do here entering short trade, up wave here. So this is gonna be my just like Instead of long, it's gonna be short then. And instead of swing high, it's gonna be swing high. Close is gonna be less than. So this much we got. Okay. So around this much signals we got from 10,000 candles. And if we plot that, uh, I, I also take code from, like, you know, previous coding sessions that we did. So yeah. So see this one, right? So I want this code there. So I'm just gonna put it around there, and then we'll see. So now you can see, right? See, long trade there, short trade there, short trade there, long trade there, short, long, short, you know, long. And here if we had like, yeah, here if we had 50%, then it would be like it, then that signal would have come. But yeah, but like, you know, now you can see that, like, you know, it's actually making lower high and lower low. So lower high, hang on. So lower high and lower low. So we're gonna talk about that later, don't worry. I'm just like showing you so that I will be uploading it, like deploying it on Discord. And yeah, so just to show you the trade setup there, just put 50% here too. So like here, no, just do 50%. Here again 50. So got 100 signals more, and now you can see the short trade, but it actually like added a lot of noise as well. So that's why I didn't kept it. Okay, but you can like what you can do now is like you can add a condition that like it should be making higher low, higher high. So what I mean now is like here, just put add this swing low is gonna be greater than D2 swing low. Okay, and my swing high is gonna be less than U2 swing high. So this is confluence of market trend, meaning making lower lows, lower high, sorry. This is actually means making higher lows. So when I done that, we got reduced to 381. So when I come here, you're gonna see the difference. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. So you're gonna see the noise reduction. Okay, let's check this out. See, right there. Now we did reduce a lot of noise, right? See here. Okay, it's like we are now we can like give more breathing room to the trade. Okay, so so let's move on. And I think what I want to just do is stick on the very simple thing now is like remove you know what, like let's keep that. Okay, we can make changes later on. We're going to be doing back testing as well, and most importantly I just like to deploy it and do forward testing. Okay, so let's do it from the scratch. All right, so I'm gonna go back. So Freqtrade. I'm gonna create the strategy that we built, just like copy it, you know, and then name it 4.4 Baking Good Fibonacci trading strategy. Okay, so here I'm gonna do breaking good Fibonacci trading strategy, or should I say Fibonacci retracement trading strategy. Or you know what, I think you guys gonna love this. Okay, check this out. Yeah, I think I can show it to you guys here only. So you guys saw the retracement, right? So there's also an extension as well. So if I do like fib extension, oh, I don't have it. So like get Fibonacci retracement Fibonacci extension. I don't have that. Long fib. So for the extension right now is like so see, I'm gonna plot this one and this one for the long and short on the negative direction. Then you'll see the extension. Okay, so so I'm gonna plot the extension here. So it happens like in the inverse. Hang on, I'll just show you, then it will make sense. I think it's minus 62. So check this out. Okay, so you see the extension, right? So for the long, actually, it actually works for the long extension you take. It actually works for the short. So like, you know, when the market goes to that point there, you actually take short trade there. So that's actually like optimal trade. You see, you know, market is turning from minus 27% and minus 61%, which is I just like rounded it to 62% extension. So that's your Fibonacci extension. All right, so these are actually more high probability trade setup than the Fibonacci retracement, you know. Like there's one whole book on it, like you can look it up. It's like Fibonacci trading, high probability trading with Fibonacci retracement and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it for like, let's put it red and tomato, and here I'm gonna do for short. I'm gonna put it here green, and here line. So now you can see it, right? This actually gives really good trade setups. Okay, so in order to show you what I mean, I'm just gonna get here, take it, and instead of like this, no, I'm just gonna put the negative. Okay, so but for instead of long, it's gonna be short. You know, just like don't worry about the name. It's just that I had to like keep everything clean. Okay, that's why I wrote it like that. But yeah, so 62, and take this one, and this is gonna be minus 27 percent. Okay, so that's your long trade, and for short trade it's like a long fib minus 27%. So let me know, guys, if you have any question. You know, I can explain you the strategy. Yeah, I know it's like I'm going a bit fast because I really want to deploy it within an hour or so. So let me know if you guys have any question. And you know, okay, so we got that. All right, check this out. Now we don't have to like, you know, do the Confluence here. Just like let it be there. Two trade only. What? So swing high. Okay. Long. What is going on here? So short fib level 1 minus 62%. Okay, now there's some error is going on. I wonder what's that. So here it's like down wave completed, close is greater. No. So I think so like here, no. But I'm gonna get rid of that. Hang on, yeah, let's keep it there so that we can debug. So what is going on here? Oh yeah. Hmm. So for the long fib, it's actually red and tomato. So that's for short. And for the short, it's long, right? So as it comes around here, should go back up. Okay. Now I wonder why it, if you have one trade only, it's like it should come around here. Even if you have one trade. So long fib for short and short fib for long trade. Okay, let's do this later on. Okay, but you can see the analysis. I'm gonna be doing it and like putting it on like Discord, so you can also see the strategy name too. Yeah, so let's do this. All right, now what I want to add now is like some Confluence, but we can add it later on. I'm just gonna get started on putting it on here for the live testing. So we got the daily pivot levels, trading sessions. We're gonna plot some trading sessions too. I think let's plot the trading sessions too there, because it's very helpful. Once you see the trading session, then like you can also like add Confluence there. So hang on. So just give me a moment. Okay, so this is what I want you to do here. For plotting the trading sessions. So this is the code for it. So we have V lines when we like want to draw the line, and this is just like when it is 1, it means like London session is start of the London session, New York, and all this stuff. So and this is the code for it. So yeah, V lines, just like get rid of that. Now you'll see the magic. Check this out, right? So now you can see the different trading sessions as well. So see, this is your Asian session, this is your London session, this is your New York session that's going on. And only take trade on New York session. Okay, it's like so you can see New York session long trade, boom, short trade here, boom. So yeah, let's remove it so that we don't get confused. But in order to see that noise, like you can put the daily pivot levels and then you can see it for real, that so why not we do that right now. So there we go to the daily pivot or fifth, we get the daily pivot levels here, we add it there. So here, right? So we add it here. Do we have the daily pivot? Daily pivot. No, get daily pivot levels. So, and df1d. I think I have to download the data for daily time frame as well. So yeah, I think it's actually good for the Confluence, so I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so one day config user data 24 week 11 10 config what 001 JSON time range 2024 041 pairs is Bitcoin, exchange is my Binance exchange. Okay, so we're gonna get the daily time data now. So let me get it ready for it. So get the daily time frame there. So I'm just gonna put the code around here. And did we get the data? Yep. So now if I put that, now you're gonna see the real magic of it. So I'm just gonna put it there, and tight layout is true, and fixed size, yep. So I'm gonna remove the swing high, swing low. So here, that's got removed. So now you can see, right? So see this whole day, this is my Asian session, this is my London session, this is my New York session. Okay, so you can see the trade setups on the New York session here, right? Good trade setups. Okay, for short trade you can take short on Asian session too, but like see all this. So see 1 2 3, I mean it's not really a wave because you know this is less than the first wave. So just see that like on this Asian session and London session we were just like, you know, accumulating, and then as soon as New York session starts, which by the way it came around pivot point, you know, and then it went back up after breaking this level. So we'll be coding this, okay, later on. I'm just showing you that like this is also a really good leading indicator. Okay, all the things that I'm teaching you here, no, it's like it's leading indicator. Okay, Fibonacci is leading indicator that we already talked about. All right, so which is good for business, by the way. All right, okay, so let's put all this code into the strategy. So this one, right? So give me one moment. So yes, so utils get zigzag waves. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna call the function here. So here I'm just gonna call get zigzag wave or something, zigzag waves. Okay, and just pass the data. It will give us this zigzag moment Already have the daily pivot, full trading sessions. Now let's add the Fibonacci. So come here, add the Fibonacci there. So, you know, and then, so let's put this strategy too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna put it back there. Okay. So there we go. So get rid of that. Continue. So we got the strategy, right? Now, what was the strategy on 4.4? Like, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just close, right? So we got the strategy. This is our stop loss, the previous candle low for the long, previous candle high for the short, and let's just simply test it on just like yeah, EMA 20. You know, it's like, let's do this. So what I want you to show, you know, is it's on the chart. Okay, so here long fib level 1, 61%. Color, let's, or you know what, we're gonna add it later on there. So let me just disable that, and we're gonna add it on the chart already. So disable everything, and let's go on and trade it. Okay, so Freqtrade trade strategy, user date strategy is this, strategy path is user data strategies, config is user data, or just like config.json. So let's do it. So I don't know what time frame it is. It's on the 4 hour, better, even better, you know, 4 hours in even better. Yeah, you'll see the real really good trade setup there. So yeah, this is just a warning, guys, don't worry about it. So it already found a trade. No, yeah, it found the trade. So let's see what it found. So we're gonna go there, ports. Is it this one? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's this one. Or this one. I don't know. This one. Yep. So let's see. Hang on. Yeah, it's Fibonacci Trading. So breaking good Fibonacci Trading strategy. Okay. So it already entered the trade there. Because there was short trade there, which we already predicted yesterday, I don't know, like a couple of days ago. Yeah. So, you know, you see the trade setups there. See, it's really good, right? Yeah. So see, even it like after this, we get the long trade there, again long trade, you know, this was losing trade, but like this was like winning trade again. So, you know, yeah, see guys, in trading, you know, it's like transparency is key. Okay, even if we are getting this false signal, I'm showing it to you. Okay, because that means like that you're credible, you know, that like you are accepting you're accepting that like you can be right 100% of the time. You know, the system I built, the best one is like 80% accurate. Okay, so but this one, like from the just from the looks of it, I can tell you it's like once we do all this like risk management and stuff, no, it's like we can get it up to like 70% accurate, like win rate, you know. So but the thing is, like, you can still make money even when your win rate is low. The only question is, like, are you handling the risk management good, you know. So as I told you in my last couple of videos, like, so there's also like people use this partial exit. So we already like coded in it, like, partial exits, like 2-1-1 strategy, where like you take 50% of the half of the profit. So suppose if I enter long here, right? So this is my risk. So this is my like first TP, hang on, first, second TP, and third TP. All right. So I take 50% around here, half of it, you know, another like 1/4 there, and another 1/4 there. So I'm actually like on the first take profit. No, I reduced my loss to break even. Now I don't have to worry about it. Even if the market goes down, I don't have to worry about it. Okay, it's like we'll end up in break even. So that's kind of risk management that's really good for Fibonacci trading as well. So like let's add some indicator. Okay, so this is all the indicators we got. So let's add long fib level 1. So long fib level 1, I'm gonna write it there. Long fib level 1, 61%. Okay, what color we're gonna give it? We're gonna give it this color. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, so that's one. We're gonna add another one, long fib level 1, 70, 79. All right, let's do 70% and then 79 too. Okay, and add another long fib level 1, 79%. Okay, so I think 70 and these are very close, so I think we're gonna remove it. We're gonna change this to green, like that. Okay, so that's our long you know so if you want to see this, check this out, right? So this is also using 50, so I think we need to add 50 as well. Long fib level 1, 50% as well. Yeah, so see, right, it went down as backing up. This is where we trade enter. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know how to put the chat, but like let me put the chat around here. Views, docs, chat panel. So yep, that is good around there. So yep, yeah, so yeah, let's do this. Okay, so it's running, and as we are back testing here, you see, you know, so this is for long. Okay, now for short as well, there's so long, so see short trade here. So we're gonna disable that and put some short. Okay, so let's add for the short too. Okay, so short. Sir, so he's saying, sir, I run my server on virtual private servers and I don't have access to Freak UI in my browser. Can you help me solve my problem? Yeah, bro, come to Discord after this. Okay, yeah, I can help you out. I think it's with VPS. No, it's like virtual private server. It's like If you are using VPN, which I suppose you are, then there's like some configuration with firewall and stuff. But I again, like we have to look into it. Can't tell you for sure that like I actually deploy it on. So this thing is actually like deployed on also virtual private server, but like on Google Cloud, you know. So yeah, let's get on to like Discord chat, and then let me see. Let's see. I think yeah, I think we can help. Yeah. So that's the uh, here's the Discord link. Okay. Hope to see you there. Okay, so we did for long. Let's add the short one. Okay. So here I'm gonna add the short indicator. Why it's not getting up? Add it up. Hmm. Hang on, I'm gonna stop it and then run it again. So so we got that. Let's add indicators for short fib level 1, 50%, and then short fib level 2, all right, welcome bro. So short fib level 1, 62%, and then short fib level 1, 79%. All right. Okay. Why didn't it enter short fib level 1? 79%. Why it's not adding? I don't get it. Is there a limitation on indicator or something? Whoa, what was that? Ah, can we do this? Oh, whoa. So short fib level 1, 62%. I don't know, it's like making a zone. I think in new version of Freqtrade you can make a zone as well. So it actually made a zone between 62 and okay, yeah. All right, area chart fill to. All right, yeah. Now it's like really cool. Okay, so let's do this. So this one, let's fill it to 62. Short fib level 1, 62%. Yeah, and we're gonna color it like light red, you know, like we can go with pink too. Yeah, see, so that's for short. All right, now for the 62 and that I want it to be like blazing red, you know, so like that. Okay, so I save it. All right, and I remove the this. Now you can see for the short trade. Okay, right, so now you can see it as well. Okay, so let's I'm just gonna like first deploy it live, so that you guys can get the notification, because we are already in the around 1 hour into the stream. So yeah, I just want to deploy it, you know. So let's get into it. So yeah, so in order to deploy it, know what you have to do is just do this. Okay, so for the Discord, no, go to the documentation first. um, See this trade we entered, this entered, okay. This the same strategy, all right. It's making profit around like around 0.5%, which is like good, you know. So yeah, all right, so here we go, right? So I'm gonna type Discord here, and so this is the configuration that we have to add there. So I'm just gonna go there and add it, okay. Below Telegram, just add it. And yeah, I'm gonna change the hook later on, don't worry. You can see the hook here, right? So this is actually like webhook address um, for the server that we are using here. So I'm just gonna go and create new webhook, okay, just to show you guys. All right, so here what you can do, you can go to like server setting, and then you can see the channel. Right now here, just search for webhook, okay. Server bot boost status, ban integration. So here on the integration now, you see the webhooks, right? So you go to the webhooks, and here I have two webhook, right? So you can create new webhook too here, okay, and name it different, okay. So for now, let's just for testing, I'm gonna create new channel, and then show you, okay. So gonna create new channel here. Yeah, so new channel is gonna be text, and this is gonna be uh, Fibonacci strategy webhook test, okay. So I'm gonna create the channel here. Now you go here, you check your Fibonacci test this. Here you can talk money farmer, okay. So you can copy the webhook address, and then here come there, and you just paste it there, okay. Now this is done. Later on I'm going to be doing the Telegram one, and then we'll show you guys later on, don't worry. But as we done this, now if I run now, we will see the notification in our Telegram, okay. So yeah, so I'm just gonna like run it again, and we'll show you. So as I run it, if there's like new trade setup, no, it's gonna go and like send the trades there, okay. So we come around here, and so we haven't had anything right now, but as soon as we find new trade, it's gonna enter the trade. So in order to show you what I mean, I'm just gonna like the trades here. No, what I'm gonna do is so instead of that, I'm just gonna that let's do the short trade there, okay. So df.log, enter short, make it 1, and so you're gonna see the notification now, okay. So let's wait here. So let's see. Hang on, sorry. This one, right? So disconnect that. What is going on here? Why hasn't it entered short trade? Yep. I think I understand what is going on. Webhook this. Hmm. It should enter the trade, right? Why it's not entering? What is going on? Haven't I? Yeah, can short is bull true. So what's the problem? Entering long trade, enter short. It's true. So yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Hang on, I'm gonna start it from the scratch here. Just gonna be the DB URL. Breaking code Fibonacci trading strategy .sqlite. Okay, so let's see. So we got that running. See, now it's entering, right? So we are getting the message around here. We're gonna get the message soon. So well, why is it going on the general? I didn't set it on the general. What? I didn't save the changes. Come on, man. Yeah. Yeah. So hello, Arash. Yeah. So just testing it right now here. Um. Okay. Now it's gonna come to that channel here. Okay. So general. Okay. So here we'll see on the Fibonacci strategy webhook test that it's just entered long trade, a short trade there. See, short on Bitcoin. We're gonna see on okay, I think I have configured it to trade only on one pair. That's why. See, like let me do the all five of them. So now you're gonna see it. Okay, so for Bitcoin, so let me run the test again. Breaking code. So here, now we're gonna see it. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. See, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're gonna see three more, I think. Yep. So this is another trade. Solana, XRP, Link, right? So what it exited the trade already. Yeah, there's some condition, you know. It's just right now I'm testing it, so you guys will see later on the fully fledged deployed one. So let's stop it. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. And we can also add the Telegram as well. Hang on, I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, on Telegram. So um I got my Telegram on my mobile phone here. So I'm gonna make a group, like just like right now, Fibonacci trading. So I'm gonna show you the whole process here, okay? So do I have Telegram? No. Let's install Telegram. So I'm just getting Telegram for Windows. Yep. So yeah, I think Discord is way too better, but like Telegram have more features, you know, like you can literally monitor everything. So let's do the Telegram, okay? So even it takes time, yeah, I don't care, just like let's do it. So Telegram desktop, I want to show you guys like how it works, okay? So so let's go, and all right, here we go. So English, yep. So we got that. Let's launch Telegram, and yep, start messaging. So I can scan it from my mobile here. um, so scanning, yeah. So go to devices, link desktop devices, and so I'm just gonna scan it. Like why the heck it's not doing? Yep. So just scanned it, and now we can see it, okay? So hang on, I have some archive to do. So yep. Okay, we're good to go. So this is what it will show you, okay? Now I've been running this bot for my like trading, you know, um like before this as well. So what you see here, no, is like you can see you will get this different status that you can send it, like you will get so for instance, like here you can see this kind of table, okay? Which trade is there, how long they are active, see? So in order to do that, know what you do, you go to bot father and you just say new bot. And so what we're gonna call it, we're gonna call it breaking good Fibonacci trading strategy. Okay, so we got the name, and let's it must end with the bot. So breaking good Fibonacci trading strategy bot. Sorry. So Fibonacci trading strategy bot. Now we got it. So this is our bot. This is what we need. Okay, access token ID. What you need to do, come here, paste the token ID, and in order to get your chat ID, go to here and just like tell it start. It will give you your like chat ID. This is your chat ID, okay? So just put chat ID there, and put it to true there, okay? So now when I run it, no, you're gonna see it again, the boot notification on both. So I'm gonna go to this straight bot here, and I'm gonna run it again, okay? in this case I'm gonna create this. So now it's gonna run it again, and you're gonna see it here too, and on this one too. So I'm gonna run it side by side and we'll show you. So yep. All right, see, it came. Let's start. See, it's running. So it's also gonna send the trade here as well. Okay, just wait for a moment. Status table, we can ask for it. So see, it already entered all 5 trades. Okay, so we can refresh it, we can see the balance, we can see the like everything, performance, status. This is the direction, trade ID that we took. Most important is this, your like status table. Okay, now you can get help as well, all this kind of what you want to do. You can also add trade from here, and yeah, you can do a lot of stuff from here. Okay, so this is your guide here, right? So we are doing it on Discord and Telegram too. So I hope you guys liked it. So if you wanna join this group, so for Discord you can join from the link there, but for this one I'm gonna share the link to you guys. But it actually for this one, no, you have to do a bit differently. It's like instead of chat ID you have to do group ID. Okay, and group ID is like you get it from this guy. Yeah, so this guy, so this is your group ID. Okay, chat ID is different. So this is same as chat ID, but like I want to get the group ID. Yeah, it's around there. So yeah, all right guys, so I think I should stop the video here. So what we learned is how to like make a Fibonacci trading strategy. So long fib. So this was our long fib, and to show you there, it's so here you can see it. So when I remove that, you can see the long and short. So if I remove the short, this is the long levels for Fibonacci on 4 hour, and when I remove the long, you can see the short. So so I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, notification bell, so that you get the notification as I start this stream or upload a video. So a lot of cool content and stuff is coming on algorithmic trading. So keep an eye for that, and happy trading guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.